Here's what I would do if I started my detailing business and I wanted to make my first $1,000. It's what I call the get loud method. Basically, when you talk to your friends, your family members, whether it's in person or on social media, whether it's at your job, let everyone know that you started a business. Let them know the services that you offer. Let them know at what price point your services are. Ask them, hey, if you know anyone that needs these types of services, refer them my way. A lot of times we like to immediately jump over our initial network of friends and family and go to complete strangers. Hey, let me run some Facebook ads, some Google ads. Hey, let me go start a website. Let me go create a business Instagram page. And although all those things have its place, when you're first getting started and it's like you want to get your first couple of customers and make your first $1,000, a lot of that can come from your friends, family, and then their network of friends and family members. Don't start to have this super elaborate plan that you need to go and buy all these things and have all these things here, and you need to do all these steps before you can make money. Oftentimes, it's like I said, get loud. Just talk to the people that you already know and let them know what you have going on. Now, that is a big mistake that I made when I first started, where you didn't share it with anyone. So even if someone wanted to support you or someone knew someone that needed a detail, it wouldn't come to you because you were I was very conservative and like, oh no, I'm gonna go and go get strangers as customers. And the funny thing that happened was, once I actually started reaching out to my friends and family members, they started recommending me work of their friends and family members. Like, there was a while where I didn't do anything, I wouldn't tell anyone because I was like, no, I'm gonna go get strangers. And then I started sharing it on social media, and this is like way before, like early 2013. A long time ago. And when I started sharing it and such, some of my friends or family members would recommend me to their friends or coworkers, and then I would literally book jobs in that manner. Again, it's a very grassroots way of just getting started. And again, if the goal is just to make your first $1,000, you don't want to overcomplicate the process where, again, you think you have to have all these crazy things set up in order to get started. The main thing you want to do is get started, get a few wins underneath your belt, meaning go and service a customer. Even if you make $25 or $50 for a detail, that builds up the motivation and the confidence for you to keep on going. Also, if you want more business advice, you can check out my podcast, the Detailing Business Class podcast. It's on Spotify, iTunes, and there's a video format on YouTube. And I talk about all things sales, marketing, operations, hiring, anything about running a detailing business. Sometimes it's myself, sometimes I have Lex, sometimes I have another guest, but there's a ton of information packed in those episodes. So if you want to check it out, you can click down below. Now let's get back to the video. Now, the next thing that you might be asking is, well, what do I charge for my services, right? Because it's going to be very dependent on what you can offer. Is it just a basic wash? Is it also like a vacuum and a wipe down? Can you do a deep interior cleaning? Can you do a spray wax, a wash and wax? Can you do engine cleaning? Can you do a headlight restoration? So a lot of this is completely dependent on what you can actually service or what services you can offer, and then like how confident you are in those, because obviously you don't want to say, hey, I can do a headlight restoration when you've never done the headlight restoration before and you don't have the tools and you don't have the confidence to do so. But keep it very simple. And it's like, if your goal is to make $1,000 in your business starting off, well, literally, like, just do the math in the most simplest of basic form. Let's say you can only do a wash, right? And you want to say, hey, I'll charge $25 for a wash. High or low for you, we're just using it as a simple example. So if you wanted to make $1,000, you would have to do 40 washes at $25 a piece to hit $1,000. Now again, you can divvy up this math however you want, but one thing you have to understand is, in the beginning phase of your business, whether it's the first 3 months, 9 months, or a year, you will always be adjusting your price, because again, you're getting new customers, you're getting more experience, you're understanding what kind of customers you're getting, you're understanding the value that you're providing, you're getting more experience, you're getting more confidence. So in the beginning phase, you will not have a set price, because every month you'll get better. Every month you'll get more customers. Every month you'll get a better understanding of the kind of business that you're running. So don't worry if one car you're like, oh man, that was too cheap. That's fine. On the next vehicle, charge a bit more. Right? Like it's as simple as that. Like you don't really have, you're literally just like grabbing a rock and just trying to throw it and hit the target, or you know, a ball, whatever. Like you're just randomly throwing it right now, just trying to hit some target that you can't really see. After you do it multiple times and after you get enough reps in, you'll have a better understanding of what to actually charge. So in the beginning, for the people that want to get started, in the beginning, do not overcomplicate it and think that you have to do some crazy math and do this crazy formula. Just keep it simple. If all you're offering is a interior cleaning and a basic wash that is just a vacuum and a wipe down and an exterior wash, $50. It doesn't matter if it's high or low. What matters is you go do it, you get paid, and then after that you're gonna be like, yeah, that was a lot of work for just $50. I have to do it for at least like 75. Boom, now you have a better understanding of your pricing. That's how it's gonna work in the beginning phase. But I'm gonna end the video right here. Want to do short and sweet and to the point. Let me know what you would do to reach your first $1,000 in your detailing business. I'm telling you, don't overcomplicate it. Don't think you have to do these crazy things. To just get started, you wanna take the first step. That's your primary goal. You can worry about everything else afterwards, but just get started. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and I'll talk to you on the next one.